Guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Pauline, and on this channel we talk about cooking, cleaning, lifestyle, and a little bit of everything. So if that's the kind of content you like to see, kindly go ahead and hit the subscribe button and join this amazing family. So in today's video I want us to spend the morning together. You guys get to see what I do in the morning. Yeah, so the first thing I do is to draw the curtains in all the rooms. This one you're going to see me only in the living room. Yeah, so that you can allow the natural lighting to just come into the room. Yes, and then right after that I go into brushing my teeth. Alright guys, so right after that I go into the kitchen and make myself a breakfast. And on this particular day I made some white chocolate with some roasted cassava.
Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up, I'm not. I think it's hard how we always wait another day, how we watch things that can't just walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up, I'm not. I think it's hard how we always wait another day, how we watch things that can't just walk away. Let's live down by the water, watch it come and go home. I wish we were bold to like sail away. I just don't wanna care. Can you be here and I'm good alone? I'll be okay, miss you like an old friend. Too scared now, thinking I should call up, I'm not. Right there on top of the moon, we could sit and do nothing. I wish we were bold to just fly away. I don't wanna care, just be here and I'm good alone. I'll be miss you like an old friend.
Alright, so after I'm done with breakfast, I'm going to wash the utensils, the ones that we used for breakfast and the ones that we used the previous night for dinner. So I've now showered, dressed up, and I'm now ready to face the day. So I hope that you have enjoyed spending the morning with me. But before I end the video, I just wanted to show you the products that I used after the shower. So for my face, I just went in with the Vaseline. Too much light, I don't know if it will focus. And then for my deodorant, that's it. The Nivea is for men. And then for my body is the Amara Cocoa Butter Lotion. Yeah, so that's it for the video. I hope that you have enjoyed. I have really enjoyed shooting this for you guys, and I'll see you in my next one, right? Bye.